Welcome to XSPA Wallet, the smarter way to swap crypto. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to make an off-chain swap in just a few taps. Step 1. Open your XSPA Wallet. Step 2. From the dashboard, go to the swap section. Step 3. Select off-chain swap. Step 4. Choose the crypto network you want to swap from. Then select the network and token you want to swap into. With XSPA Wallet, you can swap across multiple crypto networks. Fast, simple, and seamless. Step 5. Enter the amount you want to swap. Step 6. Continue and confirm your swap. And that's it. Your off-chain swap is complete. Check your dashboard. Your swap tokens show instantly, along with a real-time notification alert. Level up your crypto game with XSPA Wallet. Download today on iOS and Android. XSPA Wallet. Swap smarter, swap faster.